There's electric light in the sky tonight, the brightest storm there's ever been. A realm of electrocution, and it looks like I'm the queen. The thunder's roaring like this raging pain inside. Couldn't hold it back, heaven knows I tried. Don't let it show, don't go too far. Be the normal girl they think you are. Conceal your power in the night. Don't shine your light. Let it spark, let it spark. Let my power light the dark. Let it spark, let it spark. Let my magic make its mark. I don't care what they think of me. Let the current flow. I'm not afraid of electricity. It's funny how the thunder can drown out all my fear, and the bolt of lightning lights the way. My choice is crystal clear. It's time to let my power grow, to flip the switch and let it flow. No hiding now, I'll let them see. This is me. Let it spark, let it spark. I'm alive with energy. Let it spark, let it spark. It's a brand new life for me. Here I stand, and here I'll stay. Let the current flow. My power spikes the air and tears into the ground. The thunder rumbles and the storm is building all around. And one thought splits the night sky in a blinding flash. The past is buried in a pyre of smoke and ash. Let it spark, and I'll rise with the thunder's roar. Let it spark, I won't be silenced anymore. In my new world, I'm strong and free. Let the current flow. I'm not afraid of electricity.